Hello again sa ating BL at CBTL. Yung first shot namin, hindi na-record, nakakaloka.
Again,
Again,
welcome
it's
sa ating BL at CBTL.
Edition.
Edition.
Lakas kasi ng ulan.
Kaya tapos
Kaya tapos kayo maglakad sa malayo. Ako pala maglakad sa malayo.
Hindi mo malayo.
Far, like 5 minutes.
Hindi mo 5 minutes.
3 minutes, pero maulan.
So again, ang ating story for today ay
Link and
link and
ring. Okay.
So, summary.
Summary ulit.
If I ever get brave enough to say I like you from the top of my lungs. So, Besho coincidentally meets Makita in a university lecture they share. Finding out they both like cute things. While Besho hides his preferences like a dirty little secret, Makita makes no excuses for who he is and what he likes. Despite the twists and turns they encounter along the way, the pair of lovers deal with their possessive and jealous urges on their slow journey to answering the age-old question, what is the best way to go? So, ulitin ko na yung sinabi ko earlier.
Sabi niya, this story is just all fluff. Ano yun?
All fluff lang siya. Wala masyadong angst. Yung mga misunderstandings na very quickly resolved. Tapos, very stressful. Ang gawin na, ano nakakabit sa likod? Wala na.
Ayan na, perfect na. Okay na.
Nakatawa na dyan.
Oo. Saluhin ko na lang.
Kasi kaya ganyan yung issue ay dahil
Na-start yung
nawala
phone ko.
yung phone.
Unfortunately, last night, I was trying to be kind enough and send her a message to let her know where I was. Kasi late na. It's around 9 or almost 10, 9:30. Pasakay ako ng jeep. While waiting sa jeep, medyo matagal yung jeep. So I decided to send her a message, which is my mistake. Di ko ginagawa yun eh. I don't really do it. Tapos nung kagabi, nilabas ko lang, mag-text mo lang ako mula pang 1 minuto. Bye-bye! Ganon. Gumano mo dapat ako umiyak. Anyways, tuloy mo na yung kwento mo. Pero maganda pa rin naman yung quality ng phone kasi I'm still using the old Samsung, Sony. Yung bago kong Samsung A56 yung nadali.
Dapat yung mag-donate kayo.
Joke. Okay, continue.
So, yung unang pagkikita nila is during the lecture. So, nung kasi si Makita, he likes cute things, pero okay lang na nakasabit sa bag niya, ganyan-ganyan.
Very vocal siya.
Very
about what he
showy.
likes.
Tapos, si Besho, he also likes cute things. Pero nasa loob lang ng bag niya. Walang kahit anong nakalabas.
So like, if you look outside, it's like
No.
normal man, manly man.
Pero sa loob ng bag niya, doon yung mga cute things. Ngayon, naging friends sila dahil yung hirap sa Besho ni Makita mechanical pen kasi naiwan niya yung pencil case niya. Naiwan ni Besho yung pencil case niya. So, pinahiram siya ni Makita. Then, from there, naging friends na sila. And then, nagkaroon ng project na siya.
So cute na pen.
Hindi, regular mechanical
Okay.
pen. So, nagkaroon ng project yung subject nila. Psychology subject yata or something. So, yun lang yung pareho nilang subject. Elective. So, nag-pair silang dalawa for the project and then there sila magkasama and all that. Tapos, every time na mag-i-invite yung other friends ni Besho to go outside, lagi niya tinatagyan recently kasi lagi nga sila magkasama ni Makita.
For the project.
For the project talaga.
Kaya nga.
For the project talaga. And then, parang yung isang friend niya, parang naiinis na lagi kayo magkasama, ganyan-ganyan. Nagagawa naman talaga sila ng project. Walang anything. Wala talaga.
Okay.
Project lang talaga. And then, after nung project, nagsabi si Makita na, if you want to go with it, just go with it.
Nothing wrong with it. Kanya lang.
Kasi siya, inaya siya ni Besho na I don't like going to crowded places, I don't like going to noisy places.
Okay.
So, sabi ni Makita, sabi ni Beso, then after we finish this project, let's have a beer. So, natapos na yung project. So, nung natapos na yung project,
Anong kalokohan yan?
So, nung natapos na yung project, nag-inom sila sa kwarto hindi ko alam, ni Besh. Tapos sa kwarto ni Besho. Tapos, nung after sa kwarto ni Besho, nag-inom silang ganyan. Medyo nakainom ba si Makita. Naka-indip-indip ng gano'n. So, mamaya, tinitignan na siya ni Besho. Parang there's a pool na humihila kay Besho. And then, he was going to actually kiss Makita. Kaya lang, nagising si Makita. So, walang kiss na kaya sabi nito, biglang sabi ni Besho na, I'm sorry, I was just drunk. It's impossible to do this with a guy. Ngayon, sabi ni Makita, oh, is that what you think? So, parang sabi niya na, I don't think it's impossible to do this with a guy. I don't think it's impossible. So, if you really think that way, then I should go. The afternoon,
Wait, nalito yung utak ko. Sino nga uli yung nagtatago? Si Beso?
oo.
Okay. Just making sure. Matama yung nasa isip.
So, after nun, hindi sila nag-uusap. Siguro mga 1 week. Kasi nga, iniiwasan siya ni Makita. Kasi nga, sabi nga, if you really can't do it, then, yun. Tapos, parang sa isip-isip ni Makita, sa isip-isip ni Besho na, you told me that you want to, you want to spend time with me, but why are you avoiding me? Yan. Tapos, kasi, nung some days ago, binigyan siya ng plushie na maliit ni
Makita.
Tapos, nung una sabi niya pa, I think it's cute. Sabi, why would I keep that ganyan?
Kasi cute.
It's for kids, ganyan, sabi niya, ganyan. Tapos sabi ni Makita, I think it's cute. Sabi naman, sa isip-isip naman ni Besho, yeah, I also think it's cute.
Okay.
Tapos sabi ni Makita, okay, if you don't want it, I'll just throw it in the trash. Tapos biglang bawi si Ma.
Aba? Kasi you are si baby ko?
Oh! Eh, baka bagong go.
Oo, nice yun
Wala ko naman nag-go sa SBC.
Wala. Anyways, napansin ko lang.
So imbes na dito siya sa'yo.
Diretso pa siya. Which is good, actually. Wala, pinag-usapan namin, nakita namin ruta. So, usually hanggang Ayala lang, but this one goes until RCBC Tower. So,
Tapos, tinapon ko na yung cellphone ko. Mag-order na
ako.
Tapos, the afternoon, so if you're going to throw it away, just keep it. Ito niya, nung nag-aaway na sila. Well, hindi sila napapansinin. Hawak na yung plushie. Medyo damage na yung plushie kasi nasa bag niya lang talaga. So, whatever, pag hinahalog niya yung bag niya, syempre damage. Ngayon, nung makausapin niya gusto niya nang kausapin si Makita, hawak na yung plushie. Kasi parang talagang
Durog na.
siya. Ang higpit na hawak niya. Ngayon, kung kinausap niya si Makita, nag-sorry siya na I actually want to spend time with you. Again, I'm sorry that I said that, blah, blah, blah. Tapos yun, ever since then, sabi sa kanya ni Makita na it's okay.
Okay.
And not all guys would be
Comfortable para niya.
comfortable to think that way. And not everyone will accept it right away. So, pero sabi niya, nung naging okay na sila, habang nag-usap sila ganyan, pinakita ni Makita yung kanyang version ng plushie. Ang pinangalan kasi ni Besho dun sa plushie na binigay ni Makita, Makitan.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
Ang binigay naman ng pangalan ni Makita dun sa plushie show.
Besho.
Show. Yun.
Okay.
Yun. Next chapter, 6 months in the relationship.
Oh, naging sila na. Okay.
After nung in the 6 months in the relationship,
Bilis naman talon.
let's skip. Sabi niya, they do have intimate moments, ganyan, pero it feels daw na si Makita ay parang hindi ayaw sa next step.
Hindi all the way.
Hindi pa sila So, kissing. Tapos, kinausap niya yung friend. Yung dalawang friend niya, si Toji at saka si Hisanaga. Si Toji matangkad. Si Hisanaga black hair na maliit. Mas maliit kay Toji.
Okay.
Ngayon, nakausap niya si Toji na regard dito sa situation niya. About his girlfriend and all that.
Girlfriend, quote-unquote?
Girlfriend. Kasi sabi niya na, it seems like my girlfriend doesn't want to go to the next step, like ganyan. So parang sabi naman nito ni Toji, baka naman, he's taking his own pace, ganyan. Baka hindi lang,
Hindi pa ready.
hindi pa ready. Kasi sabi niya na, iba-iba naman ang, pacing ng tao.
Yeah.
Baka din na, there are some girls who do not want the sexual part of the relationship. They want the companionship.
My point.
So, ngayon, naisip na ni Makata na, naisip na ni Besho. So, ngayon, kasi every time na nagdidikit sila, gusto yun, i-jump yung bones ni Makata.
Okay.
So, ngayon, dahil nga sa sinabi nito, ni Toji,
Nagpipigil siya.
nagpipigil na yun siya. Ngayon, iniiwasan niyang dumikit kay Makita.
Ano ba yun?
Siyempre,
So, isipin ng isa, may something.
Isipin ng isa na, inisip talaga ng isa. Kasi napansin niya na parang, hawakan niya ng kamay, gano'n. Tapos,
Okay.
magkikiss-tapan sila, pero biglang,
Atras.
kiss lang sa pisnila, nag-kiss.
Ano ba yan?
So, parang siya,
Siyempre, nag-rap pa kayo. Baka may something.
kinorner na niya, nag-usap sila sa kwarto ni Besho. Kinorner na ni Makita. Sabi niya, don't you love me anymore? Parang gano'n na, just because I did not
Want to do it.
I didn't want to do it yet. You don't love me anymore. You fell out of love with me, ganyan. So, let's do it. May gano'n. Tapos ngayon, sabi niya nun, hindi pinagawa ng Besho yung side niya na,
Naghihintay lang. Iniiwas lang siya.
I want to go slow because I'm not really avoiding you, but I'm just trying to put distance because every time every time I touch you, I want to drop your bones. So I want to treasure you and I want to treasure our relationship and I want to lose you.
She wants it slow. Kaya siya lumayo.
So, I want to kind of like go with your play. Ganun. Tapos maya sabi niya na kind of want to try it now. Kasi parang yung feelings ba?
Oo, kasi ano yan eh. After fight.
Oo. Pero, sabi ni Beso, no, I'm not ready. Kasi parang yung puso
Yung emotion niya naman. Siya naman.
Kasi, hinanda niya yung sarili niya na maghihintay siya eh.
Oo.
Tapos biglang, okay, go. So, pa sabi, no, not yet, I'm not ready. My heart's not ready. So, next chapter.
Kulit.
They're trying to do it. So, they're taking it step by step. Ito pinakita yung step talaga na how they decided to sinuntak sila ng bottom. Nung muna natin na si Besho. Bigay. Ngayon din, si Makita, pinapakita yung how they were trying it. Pinakita yung box ng enema pump na talagang trying to loosen it slowly, ganyan. Tapos sabi ni Makata na, I think I'm quite suited to be in the bottom. Sabi na, I love the fact that I'm being spoiled by you.
Comfortable siya na gano'n. No?
Ganun lang. Pinakita yung evidence nila by this point. Tapos,
Estudyante pa rin sila.
college. Sa mga college students na sila. Yun. Nakita na yung relationship, everyday relationship nila. Tapos, pinakita na uli si Toji at si Hisanaga. Ngayon, sabi ni Hisanaga, kay Betcho, na slide sabi sila, you don't come drinking with us. Always with that glasses. Kasi naka-glasses with us. You always No,
Wala, ang dami pa nga, oh. Hindi na sinakay.
you're always with that classes ka. Are you both gay? Yun yung sinabi na. Tapos,
Ang sagot niya.
hindi siya nakasagot. Parang sabi niya na, it's not like that, no, that's something.
Parang ang ganda ng nose line kasi ganitong angulo.
Ganyan ka. So, yun. Parang naisip niya na, I'm doing it again.
Parang dinideny niya na naman si ano.
So, napaka siya na very sad ang kanyang attitude nung ano siya sa mga niya. Tapos, dumating si Makita. Sabi ni Makita sa kanya, whatever you're going through, I want you to know that you can talk to me. Na ganyan. Tapos, sinabi niya ngayon,
Yun nangyari.
oo. Ngayon, sabi naman ni Makita, it's okay. It's okay with me kung gusto mo sabihin sa akin. There will be people that will not.
Mm-mm.
So, I just don't want you to get hurt unnecessarily. Pero, sabi niya pa na parang, it's also okay if you don't tell anybody because it's ours. So, parang gano'n.
Oo, parang privacy pa naman nila.
So, yun, after that, few days lumipas, si
Toji.
si Hisanaga,
Mm-hmm.
hindi. Si Besho at si Makata nakaupo sa parang bench of some sort. Tapos dumating si Hisanaga sa ating.
Mm-hmm.
Ngayon, sabi naman ni Hisanaga, si Hisanaga medyo matabilang dila. Na wala siyang control. Tapos,
Pero he doesn't mean harm.
hindi. Kasi
Talagang diretso lang siya magtanong.
Wala siyang preno. Tapos nung di ba magkasama kasi, magkasama na naman kayo, parang gano'n. Na, I told you, people will think that you're both gay. Ganyan. Tapos ngayon, si Toji, pinigilan na ni si Saranga. Sabi ni Toji, why don't you just be honest with him? Sabi niya na, you just want him to spend time with you more. Because he's been spending time with Makita too much. And you miss his company. You even tried the last time that you shared something bad to him. So sabi sa kanya ni Sanaya, I told you don't talk to him about that. Parang gano'n na, secret nga lang eh. Secret nga lang na umiyak ako. Ganyan. So walang control siya sa bibig niya kung anong niya.
Tapos nagsisisi na lang siya after.
Tapos, nung sinabi niya na, yung, pagkakasabi nga, di ba na, people will think that you're both gay. So, sabi niya, I'm actually okay with it. So, if I were bi or gay, parang, would you stop hanging out with me? Ganyan. Sabi, parang hindi na kasagot yung Sanaga.
Siyempre, nagulat din siya sa sagot eh.
So, parang yun yan. Parang yung nasabi na ni Koji na umiyak ka na last time. Parang na-break yung tension. So, sabi ni Besho na, pala, namimiss mo lang.
Iyakin ka pala.
Hindi, parang namimiss mo pala ako. Namimiss mo lang pala.
Iyakin ka pala Walang bulihan. Iyakin.
Tapos, yung after nun, one time, mag-isa si Makita. Tapos, nilapitan siya ni Tojo at ni Hisanaga. Sabi ni Hisanaga, let's go out for a drink. And Besho told us that you're not really comfortable in loud places and all that. So, we'll find a restaurant and stuff like that.
Okay.
So, nung una, sabi niya, hindi siya nakasagot na dideny siya.
Okay.
Kasi before, outright deny agad siya. No ka agad siya. Ngayon, sabi niya, it seems like I'm also changing kasi instead of denying it, saying no right away, hindi siya nakasagot. So, it's like he's thinking about it. And then, nung nag-usap sila ni Besho, sabi niya na, sabi sa kanya ni Besyo na you are single. Kasi kung before yan,
Tarang
you
game
would
mo na
say
lang.
no outright.
Oo. Aalis ka na lang, ganun.
So ngayon, sabi niya na, ay, is kamo case kamo. Yan. Yun.
So, they became friends.
Oh, they spend time together, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, di okay na lahat. Itong ano na, itong last chapter is, ano na sila, graduating and
Job hunting.
job hunting yan. Nakahanap na ng work si, ano, natanggap na si Besyo.
Mhm.
However, itong si Makita, hindi po siya natatanggap. So, 3 months went by, hindi sila nakikita. Kasi sobrang busy, ganyan.
Mhm.
Kadugyot. So, anyway, nung natanggap na si Makita, hindi pa sila nakikita, sabi ni Makita, can you wait a few more days before you marry mo yan? So, ngayon po si Besyo, bakit?
Ano meron?
Hindi nakikita, ganyan. Tapos, kasama niya yung mga friends niya that usap sila sa mga girlfriends, ganyan. Yung isa, sabi napag-usapan na doon ng girlfriend nila magpapakasalan.
Mm.
Kaya lang yung girlfriend is not very sure. Kasi, they don't know what life will bring them.
Mhm.
Eh,
True naman. Oo.
So, ito si Besyo, sabi niya, gusto niya na bilhan ng ring si
So nag-take siya ng part-time jobs, no?
Hindi ko nakita yun. Wala pinakita gano'n. So, feeling ko, kasi may sarili, maganda yung place niya eh.
So, ano bang ganun?
Na may pera siya.
Oh, okay.
Oo, hindi pinakita na nagtatrabaho siya and everything eh. Basta
So, old rich ang peg.
siguro,
Oh.
yung pera, sagot ng parents sa akin. Hindi din pinakita yung parents. So,
At least wala nabanggit ako ang traso.
yung ano na, nung nagkita na, as usual, kinausap niya si Toji. Kasi nung una, si Toji din yung nag-ano sa relationship with So ngayon, napag-usapan nila yung gano'n na it's better to don't think about it necessarily.
Too much thinking kasi.
It's better do it.
Uh-uh.
Yeah. But I don't want
Do
to
it
die.
or don't do it. Ganun.
Yeah, but I don't want to die. So, gano'n.
Literal.
Naisip niya na hindi na lang muna. Kasi gusto niya live together, ganyan. So, hindi niya lang muna. Nung nagkita na sila, pareho sila ng idea na gift.
Okay.
Pareho sila ng accountant.
Mhm.
So, diba, kailangan na niya sa trabaho, ganyan. Tapos, umamin si Besyo na actually, ang gusto niya talagang ibigay na gift. Kasi, sabi naman ni Besyo, sabi ni Makats, na he can't believe it niya, ganyan. So, parang okay naman. Parang, ang sabi naman ito na Makata na, why don't we, on our day off, why don't we go together and look for ways of it? Instead of, ikaw na mag-isa maghahanap and everything. So, yun.
Nantok na ako.
At the end of it, okay na yung relationship nila and everything. Tapos, nakaroon sila ng sing-sing. Tapos, yung dalawa nilang plushie.
Nandun ako sa OGCC.
Hindi. Nahingi ng dalawang ring box. Si Makita, instead of just one na may dalawang butas. Kasi, ang ginawa niya, yung sa plushies nila, nandun yung
Nakatayo.
yung ring. Yung ring box. Gano'n. So, yun yung idea. Sweet, ganyan. Tapos,
Good idea
yung
naman.
side, pinakita yung background ni Tojo at Besyo. They're friends since middle high or high school, ganyan. So, doon pinakita yung pag-iiyakan niya,
Nagisa.
yung
Nagisa.
Hisanaga, pakikiyakin niya. Kasi may girlfriend siya at that time. Kaya lang yung girlfriend, masyadong possessive na spend time with him all day, every day, ganyan. Gusto niya mag-spend time with friends and with Toji, ganyan. So,
hiniwalay niya si Jowa.
Hindi. Nung una, yung mga previous girlfriends niya, nakapag-break sa kanya kasi masyado siya friendly sa mga girls.
Okay.
So, he's friends with, like, gusto niya spending time with friends, ganyan. Tapos ngayon, itong current girlfriend, sabi niya, I already spend a lot of time with her during the weekends and after school. I want to spend time with you during lunch. But she also wants to spend time with you during lunch, and I don't want that. Ganon. So ngayon, dumating yung girlfriend doon sa kwarto during lunch break. Nagtago siya sa ilalim ng upuan. Sabi niya, habang nagtatanong yung klase niya, where's this ganyan? Sabi ni Besho, he's not here. He went outside me. Pero nakatulog na. At sabi ni Toji, maybe you should definitely taste this. Because blah, blah, blah. Tapos ngayon, pag alis ng girlfriend, gano'n, so you should also take this for lunch. Tapos one time, kinauso na siya ng babae na harap-harapan sila. I want to spend time with you, blah, 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 ganyan. Tapos yung sabi niya, ano to ka kasi parang,
Sa extra na yan.
extra na to. When is expected to stop soon.
Soon. Idlip muna ako pag nag-stop siya kayo mo.
Ayan.
Parang alam malakas may hangin eh. Not too much, pero sana wag to. Ulan kasi, well, it's not really like ulan-ulan, but sakay.
Stay with me now, with your friends. We're together every weekend. I meant that I also want to stay with you when we're at school. You're always with that Toji of yours. The other day too. Kasi sabi niya, God damn it, shut the hell up. Toji doesn't tie me down. It's way easier. Kasi sabi ng babae, aren't we dating? Stay with me, not with you. Sabi ng babae. Sabi ni Sanaga, being with you is no fun. Just get it already. Kasi iyak siya. Sabi niya, I snapped and I said something horrible. So
Wait, siya kaya lang wala pala yung control bibig.
What would I date someone boring? Bababagay, iyak siya ng iyak. So parang doon na start ng fall si Koji. Tapos, inamin ni Koji sa kanya na may gusto siya. May gusto siya kay Sanaga.
Kanina niya kinamin? Kay Beso.
Sanaga.
Aminan na sila.
Hindi, si Sanaga. Si
Toji.
lang. Sinabi niya na,
Gusto niya nga.
gusto niya na, I want to be with you, blah, 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 ganyan. Tapos, after that, parang, dead mo na si Toji, hindi na nagsabi regarding that again.
Parang one time, big time na lang. Yun na yun.
Tapos,
Back to normal.
parang back to normal. Kaya lang, one time, naging inuman sila with the friends, ganyan. Yung isang babae sa group of friends nila, tinatanong na, what stories someone says. Ganyan.
Kaya Sanaga yung tatanong.
Siyempre, friends. Tapos nung...
Siyempre, nag-snap na naman siya.
Hindi.
Nararamdaman ko.
Iyak na siya. Kasi sabi niya na, you told me that you like me, but you're not talking with me, you're not beside me, ganyan. So, iyak-iyak na siya lang. Ganyan siya, kita tumulong ng luha. Sabi ngayon dito ni Toji na they need to go because he's an extra. Kasi yun yung sign. Pagka
Nagiging emotional na siya, drunk na siya.
lasing na. So, after that, sila, kasi sila sa baba, sabi niya, parang sabi niya, I don't want to be friends with you. Ganyan. Sabi niya, ni Toji.
Wants more than friends.
Sabi niya na, maybe I should find someone else. When I do that, maybe I can be friends with you. So, parang pagkakasama niya ni Sanaga. Umiyak kasi si Sanaga. Sabi niya na, if you're going to like throw all this at me all at once, then I can't keep, my heart can't keep up. Sabi niya na parang,
Too much.
But for it to be romantic love, I can't say yes. Pero sabi niya na, I need time to decide. So, in-accept na ni Toji na, kasi kung nag-iisipan mo, it means a chance.
Oo.
So, and high chance at that. Kasi if you don't really want it, you
You
say
know,
no. No, instantly.
If you think about it, there's a possibility
Is
talaga.
Ngayon, sabi ni Toji na, okay, I understand. Then, parang sa isip-isip ni Toji na, he doesn't realize it yet.
But eventually, he will.
Kasi pagkakasabi ni Toji na, you'll definitely fall in love with me. Ganun yung pagkakasabi. Ito na yung sinabi, paano ba nasabi yun? Hindi naman. So, yun yung wala pinakitang fairness, wala pinakitang anything. So,
Pinakita yung actual Georgia nila dyan. Hindi masyado din.
very little.
Hindi siya kasi importante sa story.
Yung journey nila together. And it's cool.
Yes.
It's very lovey-dovey. Ang ganda ng pagkakasulat, ang ganda ng drawing.
Yes. And ang ingay na dito, bigla na lang.
So yes, yun na yung aming BL activity and Starbucks edition.
Yes.
Again.
You loved it because
Yun nga. Bandit ko na kanina.
kasi all flop lang. Inulit ko lang. Baka kasi hindi nila nakalala. All flop. Wala masyadong angst.
Ganda ng pagkakasulat. Ng malakad.
There we go. For our BL activity, babushki. Mabilis na ito, maingin eh.